Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today it's card day and we are making a Z-fold Valentine card because I've had people asking already for Valentine's, but I know it comes so quick we need to get our projects ready. So today I'm using the Love Cats. This one is going to be available January 5th. So today's January 3rd, so in just a couple days, 2 days, y'all, you can order from the new mini catalog. If you'd like a catalog and you do not have a demonstrator, I appreciate it if you have a demonstrator to order from your own because it's getting so expensive to send out catalogs. And if you are a regular customer of mine, I missed the deadline to order catalogs through Stampin'up. So if you want one, please go to my Request a Catalog on StampingWithAmore.com. And please remember to fill out your full address, full name on there because I've had quite a few come back without full addresses and full names because I have to have somewhere to send it to, y'all. But anyway, this is what I'm sharing today, and I just wanted to get that to you because it's going to be here in just a couple days. So I'm going to show you the stamp set, and it's this one right here. It's so darn cute. It's going to be great for Valentine's, for friends. Look how adorable these are. They're so stinking cute, but I'm going to use him today. It's so cute. And then the sentiment is from the same stamp set, from the Love Cats, but then I used, for the inside, I used the Country Bouquet, this one right here, and this is another new one coming. So I just used the Happy Valentine's Day for that, because I am sending this out. It's so darn cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. It is a Z-fold card, but instead of doing it this way, I did it this way, just to make it a little bit different. All right, so I hope everyone had a happy new year, a safe, happy new year. And I hope you all have a blessed new year. All right, so what I'm going to use for this also is the stitch rectangles because it makes this super quick and easy. And I already cut out all the pieces that we needed for this. And so the piece that you're going to need is going to be 5.5 by 4 1/4. It's a regular card base, but you're going to score it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. I already cut out from the Sweet Sorbet. I cut out one of the larger stitched rectangles, and then you need 2 of the smaller ones in basic white. And then to mat it, you need 2 actually that are 1 7/8 by 5 3/8, and then one that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And that's everything, y'all. It goes together super easy and quick. I am using our Stamparatus today because this is a great way to get this to stamp exactly where you want it. I'm going to put it right here, put my magnets down here, and I'm going to line this up on here. If you don't have this tool, y'all, what are you waiting for? And I got that upside down, so I got to do it the right way. So I'm just lining it up here, and then we're going to lay that down where we want it on here. And I wanted it really dark because this is such a solid image. Sometimes you need to stamp it twice, and we need to do it this way so it stamps. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. So I'm going to put that down there like that. I'm going to use my Memento Black. And we are going to stamp this cute little cat. I'm actually a dog lover. I love all animals. Don't get me wrong, I love them all, but we always have had dogs all our lives. But this cat is just so stinking cute. And every time I use this little tool, everybody asks me. It's listed below in the description, and it is through Amazon. My Amazon link is down there. If you would like to use it, I would appreciate it. I get a little bit of a kickback from it, but oh my gosh, y'all, it's not much at all, believe me. All right, so there we go. Look how nice and dark he came out. That's what I love this Stamparatus for, and for lining things up, it's just so good. All right, so we have that all ready to go, and we're going to adhere him to this larger one, or her, and just use some seal here. Plate that place that in the center. And then we're going to go ahead and mat this piece. So I'm going to mat the inside. I need to use my regular seal on this part. I don't need the Seal Plus when matting these things. Seal Plus is really great for boxes, and if you like, I'll use it to attach that front piece, but you don't really need it for just matting. And then I'm matting this side as well because you can see that. This paper is so cute, by the way, and I'll show it to you here in just a minute. It's also going to be available January 5th. I can't believe, y'all, I've been waiting and waiting to share all this stuff. I can't believe it is here almost already. I know y'all are making your wish list because there's so much good stuff coming out. So the paper that I'm using for this is actually it's called Country Floral Lane, but it is kind of our Valentine. Well, it is our Valentine. It's got a lot of Valentine's hearts and stripes, and look at this bicycle. I cannot wait to use that. I love it. It's my favorite, and I'm going to probably order another pack just for that bike. I love this paper. It's really cute. All right, so we need to stamp our sentiment here, and we're going to put the Hi There Valentine on here. I'm just going to put it right there in the corner. And then I'm going to stamp the inside sentiment too with the Happy Valentine's Day. I'm looking to make sure I have it on the right side because the stitching, sometimes I get it upside down. All right, now to add him to here, you're only going to add on half of this. So for those of you who are new and have not done a Z-fold card like this before, this is a really easy card, and you can do this even if you're a beginner. Super easy. And then my little trick for doing the inside part and getting it lined up is that I will put my sentiment down here. Well, no, I'm going to do it this way. You want to put some adhesive right there. And this is removable adhesive, by the way. And then, I'm trying to think of which way I'm doing this. Oh, I'm doing it like this. And then you want to line this up just right underneath there. And then you're going to put your regular adhesive here. And then just press it down. Hopefully I got that going the right way. And then you'll just pull that up and you can remove this right here. Super easy to do. But I like to do that because it lines everything up really nice. Just like that. And then that's our inside. So there you go. Oh, we didn't color the heart. We need to color the heart. I'm using Sweet Sorbet for the heart. And I'm just using light. And then I'm just going to shade it a tiny bit with the dark. Just like that. He's so cute. And it's so quick and easy, y'all. It's really a fun one and very, very quick and easy. And you can make a bunch of these for Valentine's Day. So there you go. There's our little cat Hi There Valentine card. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. For those of you who are new, if you would subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video, I would surely appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.